This is Holystone HS720G, and today I'll show how you can manage, so pretty much remove or add or adjust the flight distance limit on this drone. At the start, enter the camera feed of the Ophelia Fly app. Next, launch settings by tapping at this gear icon to your top right. Here, select the security section and look for the maximum distance. Now, if you would like to remove the maximum flight distance and allow your drone to fly as far as the signal will allow it to, you can move this adjustment slider all the way to the right to reach the infinity sign, hence removing the maximum distance. Or you can adjust it and set it to be anywhere you like. Here you can see the change in value appearing, so right now it is set at 131, for example, and so on. Or you can also reset the maximum flight distance back to its default value of 15. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.